What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And somebody asked me, hey bro, what you doing this Saturday? I got a busy day, and I'm gonna let y'all come along for the ride. All right, appreciate it. Yeah, I'm at my local nursery. Look at this, 13-gallon pots. Right around 14 gallon. Let's see how much they cost.
Babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, won't you?
The first thing I see, this is a Miwa kumquat. Now I don't need another Miwa kumquat. Got some leaf miner, damn. But we're gonna find out how much it costs. Let's walk. All right, I'm in the backside of my local nursery, and if y'all wondering, yes, I did get permission to film. I'm just not randomly filming in somebody's nursery. These are all the Alberta peaches. This nursery is awesome, y'all. I don't need a peach, but I'm gonna look and see what they got. Bella, Georgia. If I would have started over my food forest, I would have started with a Bella, Georgia peach, because it's for Georgia. I stay in Georgia. But all those are different peaches. And they have, cool thing about the nursery, this ain't one, but they have native figs. Another Bella, Georgia. All these are figs. This is a native fig, a Juliana fig. I have one of those, but they are native to Georgia. And all these are just figs. And y'all wonder why I got so many fruit trees. They literally sell fruit trees everywhere. Fool you persimmon. All these are persimmons. Let's see what's on the next aisle. All these are blackberries, and that row over there is blueberries. All these are blackberries. Welcome to Georgia, y'all. If y'all ain't familiar with how we do fruit trees down here, welcome to Georgia. And we got the little small blueberries back here. Rabbit eye, I got rabbit eye. All these are rabbit eyes. I got rabbit eye. I think I got 2 or 3 rabbit eye, matter of fact. Let's see what else they got, y'all. But yeah, what kind of blackberry this is. I've never heard of that blackberry, but I don't want any more blackberries, so hey. Look, y'all, when I say they got fruit trees everywhere, that is an understatement. Native persimmon, southern native persimmon, methyl plum, Bruce plum, Santa Rosa peach. Yeah. I got a Santa Rosa plum. Oh, these are Santa Rosa plum. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all look at the citrus line. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for answering my prayers. Some prayers you answer individually. Oh my God. Oh my God. He got everything. Now, if y'all know me, I love satsumas. That is my thing. But y'all know what I love more than satsumas? Miwa kumquat. We saw the little regular Miwa kumquat when we came in. But look at him. Take me to the King. I don't have much to bring. I give it all. Some. Look at the yellow leaf. They got to fertilize more. They're not fertilizing these. But this one is nice. I want to say they said it was $59. And that's a little expensive for me. But sometimes the best time and the best price is when you see it and you want it. Now, I got one Miwa kumquat, but I want to take cuttings off it. So it's either the Miwa kumquat or the Arctic Frost Satsuma. Y'all let me know in the comments, which one would y'all get? Let me see what else we got over here. Improved mild lemon. They got a lot of mild lemons. And the reason they got a lot of mild lemon, because it's easy to take a cutting from a mild lemon and it grows. Now this one has a bigger leaf pattern. So what is this one? Let's see what this one is. Let's say that one a mild lemon too. Okay. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna turn this camera off and get to some serious business. What is this? What do we have here? Another mild lemon. People are in love with these mild lemons. What we have here? What we have here is an Owari. I recently just got an Owari. I got a discount on that. That just was $40. That's a nice looking Owari though. And what is this one? Another Arctic Frost Satsuma. I don't know if I want another Arctic Frost. I had one and I killed it. It didn't die on me. I killed it. I tried to plant it in the ground. A baby Arctic Frost in the ground. That didn't work out. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Yep. Fruit trees don't stop. A Granny Smith apple for $29. That is awesome. Let's just go through some of these, y'all. Oh, these are trees, man. This is ridiculous here. These are Gala apples for $29. Find a Gala apple somewhere else for $29. That's 6 foot tall. I dare you. I double dog dare you. Look at him. You pronounce that, I ain't finna try. But all these are apples. Anna apples. You name an apple that we can grow down here, and they got it. Dorset Golden, I already got Dorset Golden. All those are plums. Let's see. Bruce plum, $29. That's a good deal. They're usually $32, $34. Can't go wrong. So all these, and there's an Orient pear that I just planted. I probably could have got it cheaper from here, but I didn't come here. Being lazy. June Gold peach. Pecans. Yeah, y'all, I got to get out of here before I spend all my little money in here, y'all. I got to go, man. I got to go. All right, y'all, I had to come back. They say they had an LSU Gold fig. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. So that's all I'm going to say. Thank you, Jesus. Now, I'm sure they want too much for it, but the best time to buy LSU Gold fig is when you see an LSU Gold fig. Yeah. I think I didn't even come down to figs. I just thought they had all Celeste and brown turkey. But they got Black Mission, which I already have. the Juliana native feed. Yeah, I rushed through this trying to get y'all to what I thought was the exciting parts of it. Let me slow down, make sure I don't miss nothing on my list, because this LSU gold fig is on my list, because I thought I had a LSU purple, but the figs kind of look like a gold color, so who knows. And look how tall it is. It's fig taller than me. Now I'm pretty sure it's gonna die back. Would be nice to take some of these cuttings now though, wouldn't it? Yeah, we're finna take some of these cuttings. We're finna buy this big tree and take some fig cuttings and probably store them in the refrigerator over the winter time. But yeah, I'm finna get this one. Yeah, the lady at the front said, go ahead and eat some of these. So look, y'all, I'm just gonna have a kumquat eating bonanza. How about that? Y'all okay with that? Life is good, y'all. All right, this is what I end up getting. I did get the LSU purple fig. I got the Miwa kumquat, of course, and they threw in one elephant garlic. Wonderful. But first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it out this goddamn pot. I saw So Good Gardener, aka Calvin, his pot mix setup. I'm gonna show you my pot mix setup, because I gotta get this repotted. I don't know what they got in now. And I'll be right back, y'all. All right, what I'm gonna be using, perlite, cactus pot mix, and pine bark mulch, not nuggets. The little, I'll show you the difference. But it's gonna be 511 pot mix. I got a whole video on it, and if I remember, I'll put it up in there somewhere, a reference back to it. But this is what pine bark mulch looks like. It's really fine. It's supposed to be the best. And they call it 511 because it's 5 parts pine bark, 1 part pine soil, and 1 part perlite. Whatever you use to measure, that's fine with you. I'm using this cup. So 5 parts of this, and I'm gonna mix it in there. All right, got it all mixed up. This is what it looks like. That's some good looking stuff. And the only reason I'm doing it because the tree just don't look healthy. It looks a little deficient to me. I could be wrong, but I just want to put it, you see how right here all that's yellow? So I want to put it in some good soil and make sure I bring it back. This is a really good tree that I love. So, and I just bought it, but I love this tree. So I want to make sure it's in the best position. And this is in about a 7-gallon pot. I'm gonna upsize it to a 13. Usually you don't have to go that big, but they say, you know, twice the size, so that's twice the size. So we'll get that potted up. I'll show y'all what it look like. This is the root system on them. She don't look that spectacular yet. But let her get a load of this soil and see what she look like next year. All right, got everything in. I went back and put some more of those pine nuggets on, pine mulch on top of it. Next thing I gotta tackle, I gotta get all this mulch out this bed and get it in my yard. Now, if I wanna have a permaculture dream, I gotta get it put down. Hard work, never stop.
I gotta love, love. Yeah, yeah. I gotta love, love. Yeah, yeah. I gotta love, love. Yeah, yeah. I gotta love.
All right, y'all, let's talk for a minute. Why do I do all this? Why am I obsessed with wood chip? I got a permaculture dream, y'all, that this will be filled with densely filled with trees and all the exotic things that I want to grow. I won't have to fertilize it. The soil will feed itself and it will be perfect. Now, this don't look like much to y'all right now, but give me about 4 more years And I will have a permaculture food forest that will rival anybody in the world. Now, I know some people caught off guard when I strive for greatness, but I will be the greatest farmer / gardener in my backyard. Nobody's gonna garden better than me in my backyard. So I want to be great in my backyard. I don't care about nothing else. I just care about what I do in this backyard. And y'all follow the journey and see if I make my promise come true about being great in my backyard. Stay tuned.